Hey, it's Chris from Chow, and today we're going to be taste testing some Taiwanese snacks. First up, we have some Pea Crackers. These are original flavored. Looks like there's a garlic on it, so let's see how it tastes. Ooh, smells very garlicky. If I can get one of them out. Look like this. They got like little, it's like the pasta swirls. Wow. Pretty strong garlic flavor. Really like it, good crunch. Alright, next up we'll continue to have the savory snacks, and it will be these Calbee chips. If you don't know, Calbee chips are fried and they look like French fries. This specific one is an aburi Wagyu flavor, so oh, it smells beefy. That's all. And if you look at the French fries, this is what it looks like. Like little baked French fries. You definitely get like a steaky flavor, but I don't know if I would call it a Wagyu flavor. It's not bad. Next, Calbee chips. This one is the Gunkan lobster. So Gunkan is a type of sushi, and this is a lobster sushi flavor. Let's give it a smell. Kind of smells like the fake crab sushi that you get at a sushi tray. It definitely has that fake crab kind of mayo flavor. It's interesting. Alright, next, Calbee chips. This one I'm really excited about because it is truffles. And I love truffles. Whoa, definitely smells like truffles. Like an addict, just smelling. You can also see the little truffle specks. Flavor wise, you can taste the truffle, but it's not like overpowering, which is good. Alright, and the last savory snack I have is the Little Prince noodles. They're called Mian in Chinese. If you live in Australia or Singapore, Malaysia, you probably know about Mammy noodles. These are very similar to Mammy noodles. And what they are is, they're like fried, they're like crunchy ramen noodles, and then you add this packet of seasoning. There's like salt in it, there's like MSG probably, and then you just crunch up the noodles. So these are like the noodle packets. You'd crunch it all up, give it a shake, and then it is a bomb-ass snack. So, got my sachet. It's actually quite salty, so if you want to cut down on some salt, maybe use like half of the seasoning. Now I'm going to crunch it. This is my favorite part. Give it a good crunch. And now give it a good shake. I don't like all of my noodle bits like really small. I like some of them big, some of them small. So this is a big boy chunk over here. This is a big boy. And I'm gonna There's something just so satisfying about crunchy noodles with flavoring on it. Yo, I could eat this all day. Alright, now we are up to the sweet snacks. Get some water first in my cute little line cup. We'll go for the milk puff. So these are like little kind of like pastry things filled with milk puff. You have a look at them like this, and inside they're filled with cream puff. It's like a little mini cream puff essentially. This is really nice. The cream is like it's got a good crunchy outside and the fillings like a soft cream. Next sweet snack we have is pineapple cake. This is one of the most famous brand called Chow. And if you don't know what a pineapple cake or pineapple pastry is, you are missing out. They look like a little tart, and once you bite into it, it is filled with pineapple. So good. Inside filling is a slightly sweet kind of pineapple filling. I don't know how to describe it, but it is really good. And we also have another pineapple cake tart pastry. This one is a really high-end brand called Sunny Hills. It's probably the most expensive pineapple cake you can buy in Taiwan. I visited the shop back when I was in Taipei, I think a month ago. It's slightly different from the one that we just had. It's a longer rectangular shape. Outside's very similar still, but the inside is where it counts. The inside pineapple filling is a lot richer, a lot denser. I can tell like they really use a lot of pineapple for this one. And for the finale we have brown sugar boba ice cream bar. And if you're thinking, how did I bring this all the way back from Taiwan? I actually did it. Went down to my local Asian grocery, saw this. They're definitely made in Taiwan, so I had to buy some and try it. Check out the brown sugar patterns. You can actually see the pearls inside as well. The other side. Alright. Definitely tastes like brown sugar boba or brown sugar bubble tea. It's not too sweet, which is good. I'm gonna take a bite and try to see if I can taste the pearls. The pearls are a little bit soft, but as expected, since they're frozen. This is really good. I'm actually impressed. Wow. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more food and travel videos.